Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a skin case unboxing. Doing an eeny meeny mini mo. I'm gonna do one by one. Actually looks really cool. Ooh, I like that. I've always wanted this skin. That looks cool! Putting all of them on. Testing. OMG, I love the effects and sounds. That is cool. Why did bros start flying? No new effects, but I love how it looks with this wrap. Just doing it again because it's so cool. I like the sound when it comes out, and I like the bananas in the flare. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and comment down below if I had W luck or L luck.